What's up, YouTube? I got a 2020 Jeep Compass. I'm going to show you how to change this cabin filter today. It's a regular customer of mine. I'm doing this in the driveway, so bear with me. Anyways, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to watch videos or make videos to make your life easier. Sorry, it's been a long day and it's hot out. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need for this, the main tool for this job is a T25 Torx bit, flathead screwdriver, whatever ratchet of your choice, and a Phillips screwdriver. So you got a 10 Phillips, T25 Torx, and a flathead. The flathead, we're going to pop this cover off right here. You get access to one of your bolts because you got to pull the whole glove box assembly out of this bad boy. They didn't make it that easy. Some of them you can just drop down the glove box and get there behind it, but not this one. Alright, put that right there in the little handle. You're going to come down below. There's 3 of them, or 2 of them down here. Just pull your carpet down. Right there, and right there. Hopefully the video's capturing that. They're all the same size. And they're all the same style, so it doesn't matter if you mix them up. Okay, now we're going to open this bad boy up, and there's going to be 3 of the same exact ones on the top. Again, they're all exactly the same, so you don't have to keep track of which one is which. Okay, that should be it. Just gotta work it back and forth. Unplug your harness right here. Pull back on that clip gently without breaking it. Set that to the side. As my hat flies off. Oh, someone's been in here before, because that usually has a bolt in it. And it's a T25 just like those. But the top one's a 10, which I don't know why they did that. So you'd have to get another tool, of course. Well, I don't have a bolt to put back in there. And I'm not going to borrow one from the glove box. Okay, now, and there's supposed to be one in there too, a little Phillips head usually. You can see the mark where it used to sit. So someone's changed this filter before. Anyway, that would be a Phillips head. If yours still has it, cover's not going to go anywhere. It clips on, so just over engineering. Oh, if you didn't see what I did, I just pulled this little tab over. But make sure you note the position of that, because it only goes on one way. Put your fingers in there and pull that bad boy out. Yeah, it's definitely pretty dirty. This don't have arrows on it. If it did, they're rubbed off. Oh. It's behind this little flap. And the blower motor's below this. And the airflow blows up, because the blower motor's right there. So the arrows face up. It's not the original filter. Upwards. Make sure you push it in there and you feel it kind of clicks in flush. Now this little hook right here hooks in back there. Get in there. Okay, we're secure. Can't put back a screw I don't have, y'all. Trash in there. All right. This little piece right here, it's like the shock absorber. It's broken. Somebody broke that, but I'll try to seat it back in if I can. Not sure if it's going to stay, but whatever hack work on this last, at least it's still able to be put back together. I don't want to break nothing else. Plug your connector in. So you line up all your locking tabs. Just give it a little fist punch, not too hard. You don't want to break anything. Open your door back up. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put that damn bracket back. Here I'm talking about. It's all good. Even though it's not really doing nothing. I'm going to put it back the way I left it. Glad I didn't get too deep before I noticed that. Sometimes when I'm doing videos, that happens. But I usually catch myself. All right, let's try this again. Okay. Two more. Now on the bottom. Get them threaded a couple turns. And just run them bad boys now. Okay. I'll go ahead and tighten that one. And put that bad boy back on, get that part done. Alright, that's simple, y'all. Anyways, I'm going to end this video. It's time for me to go home. Y'all have a good day. Hope you liked my video. Check like if you did. Please subscribe. Have a good day. Peace.